In the Open Outboard Express segment, very few production builds arrive from the factory with a gyroscopic stabilizer already commissioned. The Verve 40 does. I'm Victoria Sterling with Minted Yachts. The technical breakdown you need before you shortlist the 2018 Verve 40. Power and performance: triple Mercury Verado. 350 outboards, 1,050 horsepower total. At cruise, 22 to 25 knots on a 475-gallon fuel supply. Well within South Florida or mid-Atlantic coastal patterns. Engine hours: approximately 580 hours each. For a triple outboard installation, that uniformity is a survey-positive finding. Consistent loading across all three motors indicates disciplined operation and no single engine dominance. Dimensions and hull: 42 feet 9 inches LOA, 12 feet 9 inches beam, 3 feet 2 inches draft. The Verve platform was Azimut's deliberate entry into the American outboard express market, a European hull builder applying its design heritage to a format the Southeast U.S. buyer had already validated. The shallow draft is appropriate for Florida coastal approaches, helm and cockpit, dual Raymarine HybridTouch multifunction displays, Axiom dome radar, Mercury vessel view, and Mercury joystick with Skyhook position hold. Factory installed, not a dealer add-on. Side power foredeck thruster for close quarters maneuvering. Cockpit specification: ice maker, outdoor grill, wine cooler, dining table. Kohler 11 kilowatt generator at 148 hours, 50 amp shore power. Accommodations: 1 forward stateroom, electric Tecma head, sleeps 4. Galley, Kenyan 2-burner electric stove, isotherm cabin refrigerator, Vitrifrigo cockpit refrigerator. This configuration supports weekend cruising and the occasional overnight passage. Buyers evaluating this vessel for extended live aboard use should note the accommodation plan. It is a day and weekend platform with overnight capability, not the reverse. Standout features: what's worth flagging is the factory Seakeeper 5 gyro. These units are rated for thousands of operational hours. Low hours is meaningfully in a brokerage context. The factory installation removes the retrofit cost and installation liability buyers typically encounter when adding stabilization post-purchase. The 3-zone air conditioning, 7,000 BTU units plus 4,200 BTU, is appropriate for South Florida use. Competitive positioning: shortlisted buyers in this segment are typically evaluating the 4 Winds H9 Outboard, the Regal 46 XO, and the Absolute 45 STL. The Azimut differentiates on hull heritage, the factory Seakeeper installation, which eliminates post-purchase retrofit cost, and a cockpit amenity specification that the H9 and 45 STL do not replicate as standard. Clean title, no lien, Boca Raton. This is the best priced and best equipped Verve 40 on the market. Bottom line: the 2018 Verve 40 is a well-specified factory-stabilized outboard express with uniform engine hours and a commissioning standard the shortlist cannot match at this price point. For the complete spec sheet, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Victoria Sterling. Let me know what you think in the comments.